Hi, welcome to Omega. I'm Glenn Siegley, President of Omega Design Corporation, and for over 45 years, Omega has been providing the highest quality packaging machinery solutions, primarily for the pharmaceutical, personal care, and cosmetic industries. On the wall behind me represent over 20,000 container solutions, representing over 3,000 machines delivered to our customers, and the rafters above me are over 40 flags from countries where we've installed and serviced equipment from a facility here in Exton, Pennsylvania. When it comes to coating requirements for our serialization solutions, we trust Domino, and so should you. To help our customers be serialization ready, we offer a wide variety of automatic, semi-automatic, and manual serialization modules to meet their specific demands. We've assembled a vast team of technology leaders such as Domino so we can offer a fully integrated packaging line serialization solution. With the dramatically increasing global initiatives to better protect the pharmaceutical supply chain, Omega has developed a specialty line of equipment to meet these customers' needs for serialization, track and trace, and e-pedigree. These solutions rely heavily on our ability to integrate high-quality coating devices for a variety of applications, including continuous inkjet, thermal inkjet, print and apply labeling, and label dispensers. We rely on Domino to meet these challenging needs. Due to the unique attributes of our patented rotary pocket unscrambler to print lot and date codes on the bottom of empty bottles, we've been installing Domino CIJ printers for over 20 years.
I'm Al Dubeck, and I'm a project manager at Omega Design. This is our IntelliPack station for packing and serialization. This one includes some optional equipment, including a Domino print and apply labeler, a case former, and a case taper. The operator inserts the case and moves it into position for labeling and loading. The Domino printer automatically prints and applies the label to the case. There's an overhead camera that looks inside the case to find out what product is going in there and then marries it to the label that's on the case. When the serialization software is satisfied, the operator closes the case, moves it through the case taper, where it's sent onto a pallet for shipping.
Our unit-level serialization solutions require our ability to print 2D matrix and human-readable codes on bottles, cartons, pouches, and other primary packages. Our aggregation solutions requires our ability to be able to print labels and apply them to bundles and cases. Domino's products are highly configurable, and their sales, fulfillment, and service support have been superior. The serialization solutions you've just seen are just a few examples of how Omega Design and Domino can help you track your products down to the unit level. Feel free to call us to discuss your needs to protect your brand, your bottom line, and most importantly, your customers.